Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on the 29th of October 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that based on this time frame that the odds were slightly greater of a continuation of the move to the upside. We also said based on the monthly and the weekly charts that the odds were greater that the dollar will continue moving to the upside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market gapped up into this supply zone. On Tuesday, the market basically moved sideways but slightly to the upside. On Wednesday, the market pulled back, moved to the downside, and we mentioned in our trading room that this is a buyable pullback. So on Thursday, after the market moved slightly more to the downside, it was bought and we moved up in a very strong way and closed above this supply zone. And on Friday, the market continued moving higher to the supply zone above, and then it pulled back and closed for the week over here. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? So based on this time frame alone, it's most likely at the beginning of the week that we will get a buyable pullback to maybe this area, and if it holds this area, most likely to continue moving to the upside. Now let's take a look at the larger time frames. So if we take a look at the weekly chart over here, we can see that, as we said last week, we did put in a higher low and a higher high, so it's most likely the market will continue moving to the supply zone above. When it hits this area over here, we may get again a buyable pullback. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, we can see that we're still moving up from this supply becomes demand area and may continue moving to the upside so long as we're able to go above this supply zone on the left over here. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. If you would like to join our trading room where we analyze the market every single day before we trade, plus we have a weekly preparation session every Sunday where we go through and analyze where the supply and demand zones are in every time frame and what potential setups may be happening the coming week. If you'd like to join our trading room for a 2-week trial at a reduced rate, I'll leave a link below this video. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.